After you go through the slides, and I suppose you understand all the learning material that I expect you to understand. So the next step for the module 2 is you have to finish your assignment.
The first task you will do is you want to join the graded weekly discussion. So this is for to have more interactive with your classmates. So in this discussion, what you will do is firstly you will share the most impactful concept you learn in this model. All right, so it's like I want you to highlight what you would have learned. Well, you only need to point it out one concept that you've learned from this module, and but you have to explain it well, like why they stand out to you, why you think this is the most important thing you learned in this module. Okay, so uh, you don't you have to point it out and you have to explain it well. And then the second thing is, if you still have some questions related to these modules, or if you have some points of the confusion, you can list it out. All right, you can list it out and ask either me or your classmates any question you have from this module's content. And if you have no question, just simply write, I have no question about this module, and then it's fine. All right, so this is the requirement part of the discussion. And in addition to that, you have a bonus opportunity. So after you posted whatever you learned, and if you have some questions, you post it out, you can check other students' submission. And if you find out someone else's question is whatever you've already understand, you can answer that student's. Help me to answer that student's question. And if your answer is helpful, you can earn 1 to 2 bonus point, depending on the quality of your response. So one response is enough if you have a really good, very high quality of your response. But if you respond to like three students' questions, but like all of the answers, it's just a simple sentence without really good explanation, you might only have 1 point. Okay, so I focus more on the quality instead of the quantity. Okay, so this is the uh, module discussion, the first task you have to do every week. And then you will go this part.
So before you actually go to the graded assignment, which is a quiz and an assignment, I would like you to go through the quiz bank and assignment practice, which are two non-graded practice. So you can go to the quiz bank. The quiz bank is the quiz questions for all the materials related to all the materials of the module 2. And you have no time limits and unlimited attempts on this quiz bank. It's not graded, but you can try multiple times you want to see what the questions looks like. And after you go through the quiz bank, and then you can go to the graded quiz, so which will have 20 questions, and you have to finish these 20 questions with 13 minutes, and you only be able to finish to try 3 times, and then it will pick up the highest ones. And it is open book, so don't worry, and all the questions come from the quiz bank I just show you. And the quiz is the first assignment, and the second assignment is to summarize the data mining goals and also to summarize the program formulation. And the same thing, before you go start the first assignment, I would like you to go to assignment practice at first. So this assignment practice including the 4 cases I mentioned during the slides. So how to transform the business objective of the 4 cases to the data mining goals, and also how you categorize those data mining goals to the different analytical types. And everything is mentioned and during the slide. So if you don't understand, go back to the slides and then check the video again. And the second question is the case study of the problem formulation, also mentioned in the slides. And for this one, the same thing, if you still have hard time to understand how to work, go back to the slides, go back to the video and check the video again. And In case you don't know how to answer these questions in a proper way, I provide you answers of the assignment 1 practice. So it is the example of the assignment 1 answers. So this is how the structure looks like. You can go through and then say, okay, this is what I expected, okay? And so after you fully understand the practice of the assignment, and then you can go to the real graded assignment and then try to answer these questions. And I also provide you an assignment template, so you can download this assignment template and then answer all the questions in using this template. So it will be easier for you to understand the structure of the answers that I expect. Okay, so probably this is the 2 tasks you need to do for the module 2. So as I said before, the only thing you need to do is spend some time on the quiz bank and the assignment practice, and then you should be able to do the quiz and assignment very properly, because the questions are very similar. The logic are all the same. All right. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me the email and ask me. Good luck.